disconnected and bypass pin has been removed. Hand signal will be on the right. We'll see you next time and have a great flight.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Hold on, let me fix the sound level for me. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be flying the 727. We're going to be doing a takeoff. Show you guys a second. Looks like we'll have to pass him. He's not going to move. Well, I think we'll stop the runway. We're going to go flaps 5. Take out power set. The wake is released. And 1, toga. From San Diego to Honolulu International in Hawaii. Crash check. Rotate. Positive way to climb. You're up.